Welcome to the Washington Tulip Festival 2025, one of the most vibrant and colorful celebrations of spring you'll ever experience. Every April, millions of tulips bloom across the Skagit Valley, creating endless rows of brilliant color that stretch as far as the eye can see. But beyond their beauty, did you know that every tulip color carries its own special meaning? Today, let's take a moment to talk about what these vibrant colors actually symbolize. We'll start with the classic red tulips. These rich, velvety flowers have long symbolized deep love and passion. In the language of flowers, a red tulip is a way to say, "I love you," without ever speaking a word. Perfect for anniversaries or romantic moments, these bold blooms capture heartfelt emotion in the simplest, most beautiful way. Next, we're surrounded by bright, sunny yellow tulips. It's interesting. In Victorian times, yellow flowers sometimes symbolized jealousy. But over the years, yellow tulips have transformed into a joyful symbol of happiness, warmth, and friendship. Walking through a field of these golden blooms feels like being wrapped in sunshine. They remind us to celebrate life's bright, cheerful moments, and they're perfect for lifting a friend's spirits or simply saying, "You make me happy." Now, let's soften things a bit with these delicate pink tulips. Pink tulips represent affection, caring, and gentle good wishes. They're often given to express gratitude, admiration, or to mark a happy occasion like a birthday, a graduation, or the arrival of a new baby. There's something about their soft, romantic shades that makes pink tulips feel comforting and hopeful, like a kind word shared between friends. And then, we find the elegant purple tulips. These blooms have long been associated with royalty, dignity, and admiration. In ancient times, purple was a color reserved for kings and queens, and today, purple tulips carry that same sense of grace and elegance. They symbolize admiration, respect, and even a sense of mystery. Walking through a field of purple tulips feels like stepping into a royal garden, with every petal whispering stories of the past. And the best part? You can see it all for yourself. I invite you to come visit the Washington Tulip Festival and witness every color, every meaning, and every breathtaking bloom in person. It's an unforgettable experience you truly have to see to believe. Thank you for joining me in exploring not just the beauty, but also the hidden meanings behind the tulips at the Washington Tulip Festival 2025. Which tulip meaning speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more springtime vibes. For full event details and ticket info, visit WashingtonTulipFestival.com. Bye for now, and see you in the tulip fields.